healthy friends. Granny Grocer here today, and I am from a Better Starts Fun Healthy Food program. Yes, I have lots of healthy foods in my store that I would like to introduce to you. Today, we are here with a good friend and neighbor, Neighborly Navy Bean. How are you doing today?
I am doing great. Thank you for inviting me, Granny Grocer.
Thanks for coming to see my friends today. Well, what type of food are you, Neighborly Navy Bean?
I am a vegetable. I am also a protein. I am part of the legume family. That means that I grow in a pod. Other beans are also part of the legume family.
You're a vegetable and a protein? I'm a bit confused. Can you help Granny out? Can you explain why you are both a vegetable and a protein?
Well, I am a legume, which is a special kind of vegetable that is filled with protein. Let me explain. Because I'm a plant that grows in a pot on a vine, I'm a vegetable. I grow like green string beans and peas, and because I'm a legume that has special protein powers, that makes me a protein food too.
Legume, a special kind of vegetable that's filled with protein. Okay, grows in a pod on a vine. Okay, you're a vegetable too, grows like green string beans and peas. Wow, special protein powers. So, which My Plate food group do you belong to?
Well, I belong in two food groups. Since I am a vegetable, I belong in the vegetable group on my plate. And since I'm filled with protein, I also go in a protein group on my plate. There are also proteins that come from animals like chicken, fish, meat, and eggs.
Two food groups. Vegetables and protein? That seems we get double the healthy goodness. I guess that makes you a pretty healthy food.
Oh, yes. I have lots of protein and fiber, which are good for the heart, stomach, and muscles.
Good for my heart, my stomach, and muscles? Are there other beans like you?
Oh, yes, many. Dried beans like me are called legumes. Other legumes are kidney beans and chickpeas, and we grow on a vine like string beans and peas.
Okay. Well, do you get picked off the vine like peas and string beans?
Yes and no. We get picked off the vine, but green string beans and peas get picked when they are ripe and ready to eat raw or cooked. Navy beans have to stay on the vine until we get dried out and shrink to a small size. Then we get picked.
Let me get this straight. Green string beans and peas get picked when they are ripe, but you stay on the vine until you dry out and shrink into a small size. Then you get picked. Is that correct?
Oh, yes, you got it straight.
Well, what makes you different from other beans you mentioned?
I am smaller, creamier, white, and oval shape. In Spanish, I am called frijol blanco, which means white bean.
Hey, frijol blanco. If you are a white bean, why are you called navy beans? Since you are called navy beans, I would have thought your color would be dark or navy blue.
I know it seems strange that I am called navy beans and I am white. I did not get my name from my color. I got my name from the sailors in the Navy who ate me when they were sailing on their ships.
Well, what makes you a special food for the sailors?
I am special because you do not have to put me in the refrigerator, so I'm easy to store and keep on a boat. I'm super healthy and can fill you up if you eat me plain or in a soup or stew.
So you're easy to keep on a boat? Very good. It sounds to me like you were a very important source of food for our sailors. Well, could the sailors eat you raw or uncooked?
Absolutely not. Navy beans must be cooked or they will make you sick. You have to soak navy beans in water before you cook them, or it takes a really long time.
We don't want to get sick, so we have to make sure that we cook you now. How are you normally cooked, though?
We are normally cooked in a pot of water and can be eaten as a snack or a meal. One yummy snack that we can be turned to is a bean dip, like hummus made from my relative, the chickpea.
Wow, you can be made into a snack or a meal? Bean dip. I gotta try that. Wow, that's great to know. Well, where do we find you in my store?
Oh, you can find us in the dried beans section of the grocery store. We can also be found cooked inside of cans in a canned vegetable part of the store.
Dried bean section or the can section? Thank you for that important information, and thank you for letting us know all about you today.
Thank you for having me. Keep eating your fruits and vegetables, and remember to try more vegetable proteins like me, your neighborly navy bean. Bye bye.
Bye.